What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Ontology gas ONG, which has hit 2 green candlesticks over the last 2 days and has pumped up over 43% in the last 24 hours guys, currently trading at just over 53 cents. So what is next for the crypto? Why is it pumping so much? And mainly focusing on buyers and sellers point of view, what is the best option right now? Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply to hold on to it? And looking at, of course, this prediction over the short term and over the long term as well, looking at how high and how low it can go. I've seen a lot of comments online saying ONG can potentially hit the dollar mark later on this year, so I will also be covering that point of view as well, looking at can it really do that, because it will still require a major increase in value. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of ONG, which is here in purple at 43 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over 53 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Ontology gas over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. However, reason for that is because of the major pump that's taking place yesterday and today. The graph is likely to, or the chart even, is likely to take a little bit of a step back down in value, potentially dropping down just over 50 cents is where I'm expecting ONG to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. It is likely to be a very minimal dip in value, shall I say. Again, does not mean it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to head over 55 cents over the coming hours before it slowly starts to hit red candles later on this afternoon, evening time, dropping it down to over 50 cents is what I'm expecting. But then again, it is likely to be quite volatile. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish here. We have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. The orange line specifically is looking quite steep, heading upwards, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taking place. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming days. However, that is clearly not the case, as it's not realistic. So essentially over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Ontology gas to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, going through a little bit of a price correction, dropping down below 45 cents in value is where I'm expecting ONG to be trading at by the end of the week. Again, as I mentioned, reason being is it's done quite a major increase in value. Over the week it is up 30%. However, over the last 2 days itself, it has done at least a good 45 to 50% increase, meaning yes, it is slightly overvalued and it is likely to go for a little bit of a dip before it pumps back on up in value towards late April, early May. But yeah, by the end of the week, I'm expecting it to drop down to around 45 cents in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, the blue line is looking a little bit too steep to be realistic, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late June 2024, I am expecting ONG to be hovering around 65 to 70 cents in value. So at a higher value than where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Again, We do have the Bitcoin halving coming up very soon, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. With Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to hit a new all-time high later on in April, May, which should have a positive impact on majority of the cryptocurrencies hitting the green candle. And again, Ontology gas should be one of them, heading over 65 to 70 cents is what my expectations are at the moment. However, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But at the moment, this is my take and my prediction on Ontology gas. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we have broken out from the bottom level of the green zone into the dark green zone, and right now into the blue zone, and I am expecting it to drop back down into the dark green zone over the coming days, as I mentioned, hitting red candles and potentially heading back into the into the blue and top tier level here over the next 2 months is what my expectations are at the moment. As I mentioned, with the Bitcoin halving coming up, again talking about Bitcoin, the crypto has been quite volatile, taking major drops earlier on last week, guys, dropping down to nearly $60,000 and pumping back up to $68,000. It has been quite a wavy week, shall I say, for the crypto market last week, but I'm expecting more increases in value over the coming weeks. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up over 200% in the last 24 hours, making it over $319 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is quite obvious, it has pumped up quite a bit, so a lot more people are trading the crypto right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, and it is getting a lot more attention in the crypto world, so a lot more people are trading it, which in return is also helping the value of ONG pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So can this crypto essentially hit the dollar mark by the end of the year? My simple answer is no. Reason being is it's done quite an increase right now, and for it to hit the dollar mark, it will require a major increase in percentage, which I'm not expecting from the crypto at the moment. We have to take it slow and steady increases. Potentially by mid next year, yes, the dollar mark is possible, but at the moment I am not expecting it to hit the dollar mark this year. Let me know what your takes are on that question. Can this crypto hit the dollar mark? If so, when? If not, when can it hit it in the coming years? Comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.